Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kritika and I make videos related to food, beauty and lifestyle. So if any of that interests you, then please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you guys already do not know, we have a Maggie Fest going on this channel where I'm going to be sharing with you few amazing Maggie recipes and talking all about Maggie. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to it right now and press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload my next video, and it's all gonna be about Maggie. So make sure you stay tuned for that. So I was very bored eating the plain classic Maggie that we usually have. So I thought of adding some tadka to our regular Maggie. And hence I prepared 3 different flavored Maggies at home. And these recipes are supremely easy and more than yummy. You do not want to miss them. So if you want to know how I prepared these different yummylicious Maggie flavors at home, then please keep on watching the video. For the recipe of crispy Maggie noodles, start by taking 1 cake of Maggie and break it into fine pieces. Now fry these pieces in very hot oil. The oil should be very hot so that you can take this thing out immediately just after a minute of frying. If you want, you can definitely dry roast these crumbs, but I preferred frying them because this process is faster. Just after 30 seconds to 1 minute, you can take out these Maggie crumbs from the oil or else they'll get burnt. Crumbs must have turned into golden brown in color, and that's when you have to take them out of the oil. Now in another pan, take about 1 tablespoon of oil. After the oil is medium hot, add about half to 1 finely chopped onion and about 2 tablespoons of finely chopped capsicum to this. Toss these veggies for about 2 minutes. After that, add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of pizza pasta sauce to this mixture and give it a nice mix. After mixing it for about a minute or so, add the fried Maggie to this mixture and give it a quick mix. We just have to mix it very lightly, we do not have to press the Maggie. Add about 1 tablespoon of water to this and let it simmer for a minute. And then finally switch off the flame. And your crispy Maggie noodles are ready. Enjoy! For the recipe of chili garlic Maggie noodles, start by taking 1 cup of water in a pan. As the water starts boiling, add 1 cake of Maggie to this. I am tossing the Maggie using a fork so that the noodles do not break. After all of the water boils up completely, the Maggie should look something like this. Strain the Maggie noodles out and add some cold water to it so that the cooking process of the Maggie stops completely. Then add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil on top of it so that the Maggie noodles do not stick to each other. Give this a nice toss so that the oil is coated very well on all the noodles. Next up, in a pan, add about 1 tablespoon of oil. As the oil gets hot, add some garlic to it and also toss in onions with it. Once all of the onions are caramelized really well, add about 1 teaspoon of chili flakes to this and toss it again. Tossing chili flakes and garlic along with caramelized onions gives a really nice flavor to the recipe. If you are a spicy food person, you can definitely go ahead and add a bit more of chili flakes to this. Make sure to keep the flame high at all times. Then add about 2 teaspoons of chili sauce. You can definitely add more of it if you want your noodles to be extra spicy. Then add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Make sure to keep mixing all of this at all times so that nothing of it sticks to the pan or gets burnt. Then add half teaspoon of vinegar to this and mix it again. Now toss in all the veggies in the pan. Here I am using green capsicum, red capsicum, You can add in any other vegetables that you like. I majorly used capsicums here because capsicums are the closest to the chili family, and since we are making chili garlic noodles, it was the best according to me. Also add some salt and black pepper to this as per your taste and give it a nice mix. Then add the Maggi taste maker to this and give it a quick mix again. Then add about half cup of water to this and add the Maggi that we had already boiled earlier. Now I'm just gonna toss it very well in the veggies using 2 forks. I'm doing this just so that our noodles do not break and we get long noodles. Keep tossing the noodles till the time everything is mixed really well and your chili garlic noodles are ready. Enjoy! And for the recipe of cheesy pasta Maggi noodles, start by taking 2 cups of water in a pan. As the water boils, add Maggi to it. Let the Maggi boil till the time all of the water gets evaporated completely. Strain the Maggi out and wash it with cold water so that the cooking process of Maggi stops completely. Then add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil to this and toss it really well so that the Maggi noodles do not stick to each other. In another pan, add about 1 tablespoon of butter to it. As the butter heats up completely, add about 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste to this. And then toss in finely sliced onion into this. Let it saute for a while and then you can go ahead and add your favorite veggies to this. I'm using red and yellow capsicum and mushrooms. Then add 1 tablespoon of maida to this and give it a quick mix. And then add about 3/4 glass of milk to this. And give it a quick mix. We have to be really prompt at this step, else there are chances of lumps getting formed over here. Then add the remaining milk to the mixture. You have to keep stirring everything so that nothing sticks to the bottom of the pan. Add salt as per your taste. Half a teaspoon of black pepper powder and 2 teaspoons of sugar. And mix all of this together. Then add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of fresh malai. You can also use fresh cream. We are doing this to add to the creaminess of the sauce. And then finally toss in the boiled Maggi noodles. Then add Maggi taste maker to this and give it a nice stir using a fork. I am using a fork so that the Maggi noodles do not break. Let it boil for a minute and two and our cheesy pasta Maggi noodles are ready. Top this with Italian seasoning and chili flakes and enjoy! So guys, that was it for today's video. Do let me know in the comments down below which one of those was your favorite one. If you try any of these Maggi recipes, do share your recreations with me on my Instagram handle. The link for my Instagram handle would be given in the description box below. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye!